Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Anthony, the scooter. Anthony, that's me, Anthony the Hot Wheels. Today, we are going to be making popsicles for your dogs, or you can make these little popsicles for yourself. This summer, if you're bored and you want something to do, this is a very easy make and fun thing to do with yourself or your family. So, here are the materials. Strawberry, blueberry, blackberry, raspberry, yogurt, peanut butter, popsicle molds, and hard dog treats. The little popsicles we're going to be making is for this little doggy, Luna. Say hi, Luna. She's gonna love the little popsicles, so I'm excited for her to enjoy them. Remember to wash your fruit and then cut your strawberries. First, you have to puree your blackberries and blueberries and strawberries and raspberries, and I have already done that, as you can see. You just put them in a blender, don't add anything, just blend them together, and they should just come out to whatever consistency you want. They'll freeze either way. Now we're gonna put them in those molds right there. First, you want to take all your lids off, because dogs cannot eat plastic, and if you're making it for yourself, just leave it on. Also, on the purees, if you're gonna eat it, just add some sugar to it, because it's not gonna be sweet and it's not gonna taste very good if it has no sugar, if you want to eat it for yourself. So I'm going to be making it as a red layer, a yogurt layer, a blueberry layer, blueberry mixed with peanut butter layer. So I put the peanut butter in the yogurt. Now I'm just gonna mix it. This is how it looks like mixed. Don't worry, it might not look good, but for dogs, I mean, they're gonna love it. So next we're going to add some strawberry puree. I'm gonna add however much I feel like is good. So just like put it in the little thing till however high you want it to be. So the strawberry, I'm gonna do it to like right there. I think that's pretty good, since we're gonna add like 4 layers. Oh, and before you go on your next layer, you can also buy coconut flakes to make the layers not mix, but I didn't really feel like buying coconut flakes because, you know, it doesn't really matter. I want it to be beautiful like art. Next, I'm going to add my yogurt, just the plain yogurt, not the one with the peanut butter. I added this much. I'm just gonna add a little bit just to like not like use all of it, but you can add more, of course. So next we're going to add the blueberry and the blackberry. Yeah, the blackberries. I added about this much. I'm just gonna tap it before it can go down. Make sure it does not go all the way up because you don't want to overfill it. So just like put a little bit. So I added way too much strawberries. So I'm just gonna do a little lightly with the peanut butter. And now all you have to do is just put like your dog treat. Make sure it goes all the way down. And just put your dog treat in like that. And the reason we didn't fill up to the way because you can see it filled up more. So don't add too much like I did in this one. But I'm going to finish rest off camera and I'll be back. Luna, you want something? I have finished putting everything in the little popsicle trees. They're kind of messy, but that's because I didn't get the coconut flakes. But if you put coconut flakes in each layer, so after the red, you put coconut flakes, after the yogurt, coconut flakes, then it would be more cleaner, nicer, but I don't want to do that. Now I'm going to go put it in the freezer. Also, make sure the sticks are in the middle. So yeah, put them in the freezer overnight and then you should be good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright everyone, the popsicles are finished and they look like this. They're very frozen right now, but I'm just gonna let them like thaw out and then I'm gonna give it to my little Luna. Look guys, I know it's melting, but look. Luna, you like it? And look, she's trying to eat it.
Luna!
She just ate it all.
You just ate the whole thing. You're gonna have burn freeze. Your brain freeze.
You want my Nina? Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this video and remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment on what I should do next. And if you stay to the end, comment super dog to know that you're a real one and that you watched the whole video. You can follow me on all my social media at the goddesses. I'll see you on my next. Bye.
Hands on my body, he called me baby. but he won't look and he